Hi, my name is Nahad. I'm the owner and managing director of KidSpot Nursery. Today we're going to be doing a how-to video, and if you want more educational videos, do subscribe. For any comments or thoughts, just keep them down there. Discipline is such a strong word, yet so necessary. I'll start you out with what I believe we could be doing for babies. You can start off as 8 months old, and when you know they need it is when they start pulling on your hair and taking off your glasses and just laughing it out. You know that there's something that needs to be done. How we do it is we stop, we explain, we redirect. An example, a simple example can be a child that's grabs scissors right out of the floor. You stop them, you take them away, you tell them this can hurt you, and then you direct them into something else, just to redirect their attention. Once, twice, or as many times as it takes. Moving on to toddlers. Toddlers, what they love is to feel empowered. And how do we give them empowerment and discipline them at the same time? We show them that they have the power of choice, and they take those choices. A child that has hit another child, we consider that a bad choice. Not a bad action, not a bad attitude, it's a bad choice. So when someone has done anything like taking a toy away, the choice is either to hit that child or go ask them nicely or find another toy or even tell the teacher. Choices. Again, that's how you empower a child. And every day in the morning, give them that bad choice or a good choice. And every single time ask them, was this a good choice or a bad choice? Well, my experience goes up to school age, so that's where I'll stop you. And I'll tell you, for school age children, we tell them the difference between a right and a privilege, and the consequences is that losing their privileges. Right, yes, is to eat and drink and have a roof over your head, have loving parents. A privilege is your TV. A privilege is a gift. A privilege is everything else that you get. Are these clothes on your back that are beautiful and expensive? When you do something, the consequence is you lose a privilege, and that privilege is discipline. Because they've gotten so used to having this privilege as a right, we change that perspective, and that's how it's done. So from when they're 8 months old, you can start implementing a little bit of discipline. And I know that word is tough, again I'll say it, but it's needed. From when they're babies, you stop, you explain, you redirect. When they're toddlers, give them the empowerment and choices. When they're school-aged, you give them the difference between right and privilege and the consequences. The fact that you're watching this video and researched it means you're a fantastic parent and you're doing a fantastic job. Good.